Two Las Vegas brothers are on the cutting edge of energy-saving construction. Their company, ICF LLC, specializes in using something called an insulated concrete form. Now, they call these things Fox blocks. This new type of product, according to the company, outperforms other type of construction methods for structural integrity and energy efficiency. The company's using the technology to build two new stations, fire stations, here in the city of Las Vegas. And joining us right now, one of the principals of ICF LLC, Steve Jones. Welcome. Thanks for coming on our program. So, talk to me about a concrete insulated form block, whatever you call it. What is this thing?
It's almost like I guess you could describe it as a giant Lego. It's got two and a half inches of foam on either side, and it's filled with concrete. So it's just a poured-in-place concrete wall with tremendous insulating value and great structural integrity. For lots of different reasons, it makes sense in our climate.
Yeah. And, is this a relatively new technology?
It's been around for a while. I think people are finally figuring it out that it has great benefits to construction here. Like we built the chapel at the Salvation Army just up the street out of concrete insulated forms.
Now, are you manufacturing this here, or is this?
No, it's being done all over the United States. So it does. You can get it in California, Bakersfield, Colorado, Idaho. So it's easy to get, and it takes about a week turnaround once it's ordered to get it delivered on site.
What about the cost? Is this roughly comparable to your basic garden variety cinder block? I mean, I don't know what you would use, but is it appreciably more? How does that work?
It's probably 5 to 7% more than a wood stud, wood framed building. But I think your energy savings are between 45 and 50% over the life of the building. Plus the other benefits, the fire retardant, or the fire rating for a burn through on the fire, and the noise and all the other things that make it really worthwhile.
You know, you're not seeing a lot of new construction here, so where are these being used? Are you, in remodels?
We've done a lot of them actually in our core business, Merlin Contracting. We've built a lot of custom homes and basements, and we've built both the New American Home in 2004 for the International Builder Show. The one in 2009 was built out of concrete insulated forms for the International Builder Show, and they'll be used again in the show here in 2013.
I mean, it sounds like the real, I don't know if you call it the innovation, but it sounds like the foam component of this is what's really kind of catapulting this above and beyond other traditional methods of construction.
I think the easiest analogy for the layman to understand is just the foam coffee cup. You know, if you think about it that way, basically you pour a hot coffee in it and you don't feel it. That's the same, that insulating value is there. And it cures, the concrete cures perfectly over time. It's the best environment, it's strong, and it's just a wonderful, and kind of being a product of the 60s, my brother and I saw that this is the next level we need to get to for lots of reasons. Energy savings, and it'll save our clients money in the future.
Now, I understand you did this in some firehouses. They're always concerned about the toxicity of building materials. They give this the seal of approval?
There are no VFCs. Basically, it's non-toxic. It's a recycled material, and I give all the credit to the architect and the engineers at the city, Eric Singman and Mr. Tolman.
That'll be a taxpayer savings to taxpayers.
Absolutely.
On energy?
Yeah, huge savings. Like I said, 45 to 50% over the life of the building.
Now, we got about 30 seconds left. What has to really happen for green building to really take off, do you think?
Well, I think once again, people have to understand that it makes a lot of sense, and it has to become more affordable in the future. ICF is a great start because it pays back in, say, 7-8 years. But the other green building products are still working their way there to make it affordable for the general public.
Even with the tax breaks that accompany them?
Sorry?
Even with the tax breaks?
Even with the tax, well, solar's a good example, yeah. The tax breaks certainly help with the solar, otherwise it would be unaffordable. But ICF's, we don't get a tax break for the ICF other than the energy.
Interesting stuff. Appreciate your time. Good luck to you. Thank you.